to grow together in spirit and in truth, and forsaking all others.
It just means that two people who love each other will now be able to get married, and they'll be recognised by our constitution. That's simple. That's all that it means.
I was sent to a psychiatrist who thought there was a problem with being gay and advised me to go to the south of France to live, you know. He thought I'd fit in with the general atmosphere more.
But with the hen being kinal grand kian agus a crack kian
Smile lads in lie agus farmanach agus alla agus smile amtition faster. Smile
fair.
For a mila moigov. And just a wee word to the ladies. I know there may be a lot of single ladies here tonight. You'll probably have a lot of drink. You'll probably have a lot of alcohol. You may see somebody you like. You may waltz up to them. You may get a knockback. It's not you, it's him. Okay? Just bear that in mind.